Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add your pronouns to your Instagram profile. If you want to add some pronouns to your Instagram profile, so let's see how can you do this. First, you have to open your Instagram, and here you have to go to your profile in the top right bottom corner. Just tap on it and then select edit profile. Here you will get the pronouns option. You just have to tap on it, and here you will get the pronouns which you want to add. So basically pronouns are the some nouns which are come to pronouns. So if you're a boy, so your pronouns will be he, him. If you're a girl, so your pronoun will be she or her. So I'm just adding he, just enter, then select, then tap on done. In this way, you can easily add pronouns to your Instagram profile. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.